My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware type program, which is called SoftwareHelper. SoftwareHelper is the adware that belongs to the adload family. This particular adware targets Mac computers only, and it affects Mac's browsers. Safari, Google, Chrome, Firefox, and possibly some other browsers too. Keep in mind that this particular adware SoftwareHelper is spread through integration with some free applications. In most of the cases, the adware is installed by customers pretty unintentionally. So they might suddenly realize that some way or another this program has become the part of their computer. SoftwareHelper adware, once installed, starts displaying the great portion of ads not related to the sites that you visit. If you have discovered this program to be the part of your Mac, check your available applications through Finder. If you locate this adware, you need to right-click on it and move it to the trash. So this should be sufficient enough to fix your browser, but if you see any other strange programs here, you need to get rid of them in the similar manner. So right-click on them and move them to the trash. I would also recommend you to research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is available both for Windows and Mac computers, but this particular adware only targets Mac computers. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, then you need to click on Start Combo Scan button. By the way, initially the software is in the trial mode, but there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. These are free features that will help you to essentially optimize the performance of your computer in general. So the program will then begin scanning and researching your system, and it will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scanning. Click on Review Results. You'll be able to know the locations of threats. Some of the threats can be removed manually, but we strongly advise upgrading to Premium to delete all of them altogether and automatically. And with Premium license, your computer will always be under the protection of the reliable security software.